Welcome to the TechHub.training SQL and ChatGPT Shelter Shenanigans Again Challenge solution. In this video, we're going to go over a couple of different ways to add data to an Access database, and I'll talk a little bit about the ChatGPT prompts that I used. So in this challenge, the first thing that we asked was that you find the animal type for each animal breed. To do this, I asked ChatGPT, just gave it this whole list here, and then asked it what type of animal each breed was, with the note that mixed breeds are going to be dogs. It returned to me each breed type with the animal type, so then I asked it for just the animal type, and then I copy pasted that list into this place where it says click to add as a short text column, and then I just dragged it over there for ease of readability. The query associated with that looks like this. Be sure that you are joining the location on location ID with the location table so that you can select only location central, since that's where the donor is calling, and then select animal type dog. The next thing that we had you do was create this volunteer table. I asked ChatGPT to generate a list, 14 volunteers. I created the volunteer ID as I imported this table from Excel into the Access database. To do that was this new data source from File, Excel. I had this sheet generated for me by ChatGPT that I simply copied over into an Excel spreadsheet, brought that in, added this volunteer ID as I was going through the new data source, and then I made sure to put the available hours as a number instead of as a text format. Now, for the phone numbers getting generated, I noticed that ChatGPT at first gave me all identical or like very patterned phone numbers, and even here we still have some duplicates you can see. So I asked it to give me all new phone numbers and to generate all unique ones, but clearly there was something missed here. Once I had this volunteer table in, then it was time to establish the relationship. So created location ID on location ID. And just as a refresher on how to do that, we'll go to Edit Relationships, then pick your two tables here and the columns that you want to join on in this Create New place. The next thing that we had you do was take the employees and give them all unique phone numbers. Again, ask ChatGPT to generate a list of unique phone numbers with the correct count, and then in this Click to Add column, I put the phone numbers, I believe, as short text format, because number format did some weird things. Now to delete a row, Chloe Martin is already gone. She was employee 112. You can just click in here like this, and then delete record. And then to add in a new record, you can just start typing on the bottom row. There is also an option to create a query and to use this delete query and this append query to insert and delete records. I can't effectively show you that because the records that I want to delete and insert have already been deleted and inserted. So this is the only query I can really show you here. But for further help on that, you can look it up or ask ChatGPT for more advice. Thank you so much and hope this was helpful.